Hey guys, it's me, I'm back. This is a different video. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, but something just arrived and it's too amazing not to. This is the... Yeah, I can't find the model number right now. It is a 49-inch Philips computer monitor, and this box is massive. So let's go and turn it around. So yeah, that is... This thing is insane. 5120 by 1440. So it's essentially having two 27-inch 1440p monitors side by side. But if I turn you around, my office is a bit messy right now, and there isn't really a place for me to unbox it in here. So I'm going to be replacing my 29-inch ultrawide with the 49-inch. But at the moment, it's not going to fit on the desk. So we're going to have to move into the kitchen to unbox it.
I've got the same size box my TV came in, except
do not open from this side, so I've got to flip it around before I put it on the table. Just... Just so you guys know, that box weighs 22 kilograms, 11 of which is the monitor itself. 4 is the stand. This is a big boy, and it is very heavy. Alright, so open here, which, because this is such a big, large, heavy box, there is actually a proper, there's a right and a wrong way to open it, because if you open it the wrong way, the absolutely massive screen will, well, have a very bad time. So if we have a look up the top with this massive piece of styrofoam, we've got the paperwork, we've got a buttload of cables, so we've got USB-C to C, USB-A to C, we have an AC power, which I believe this has a built-in power supply. We have DisplayPort to DisplayPort, and an HDMI, along with 4 little, actually surprisingly little screws, if I can, yeah, very tiny screws. Put all that back in there, and we get to see the beginnings of this absolute unit. This is the stand, and it definitely weighs 4 kilograms. I'm going to put this on the floor so I get a bit more in the frame. Alright, so let's remove the top bit. Very, very staticky, that's annoying, but oh my god. I forgot this was curved. This is very curved. Oh my god! I got it. Oh my god. So, if I lay this face down, which is not as much of a problem because of the insane curvature of this monitor. It's a 3800R, no, an 1800R curve. I always forget which way that goes. But I'm gonna take you off the tripod here, and we can have a look. So there we go. So we've got the 3.5mm audio in jack. We have 3 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, Type A ports, an Ethernet jack, a USB uplink to go to your computer, and we have the USB-C port, not Thunderbolt, USB-C. Then we have DisplayPort, HDMI, and HDMI. Moving this way, we have AC power and the power switch, and down there we have the OSD buttons. This here, you guys, is a webcam. That just pops over the front. It's always there. And it supports Windows Hello, which is really, really cool because Windows Hello is great. And now let's try and get this absolute beast onto the stand. Oh my god. I know I keep saying it, guys, this monitor is really heavy. And now I need to go get a screwdriver. One important thing to note, especially for me, because it's not actually staying on this stand, is this monitor does have a VESA mount. I believe it's a VESA 100, so the screws are 100mm apart, which is good. That's a standard mount. So if you've got monitor arms or TV wall mount, which is strangely enough what I'm going to be using, you should be pretty good. Right, turn the torque all the way down so I don't destroy anything. Alright, now let's flip it and have a look. Oh my actual god! You guys, this thing is insane. 49-inch diagonal, 5120 by 1440, can have two 16 by 9 inputs, so two 1440p images side by side. It even works like it has a KVM inside, so you can plug something into the USB-C port like a phone and have your computer plugged into the other one. If you have your keyboard and mouse plugged into the monitor and then to the computer instead of plugging it into the computer, you can use the keyboard and mouse on the phone as well, which is interesting to me because I use the Ultrawide desktop on my P30 Pro quite a lot. Sweet Jesus, this thing is massive. I'm going to end this here and then try and get it in my room. See you in a bit, guys. Hey guys, so it is a couple of hours later, and as you can see, it's in place. It is absolutely ridiculous. It turns out that I didn't mount it on the wall. It just barely fit on my desk. So out of sheer laziness, I'm not wanting to have to drill more holes in my wall, I decided to keep it on the stand. The downside of that is I can have pretty much nothing else on my desk. My speakers, my desktop, and pretty much my keyboard and mouse. My desktop has to be turned 90 degrees. It is a very, very small SFX tower, but even that had to be turned sideways. But as you can see, guys, this is just utterly ridiculous. This is what YouTube looks like. Just that centerpiece of the screen, that is what YouTube looks like. And pretty much it's all like that at the moment. This is a type of monitor that forces you to window things. On 21:9 you can kind of get away in certain applications for not windowing stuff. On 32:9 you can't. Stuff just looks stupid. In a way, if you've only got one thing open, things do center in the screen, which is good because at the distance I am, I can't really get much further away. I do have to turn my head a bit to see either side, so having things central is good. But for the most part, I will have 2 browser windows and like Slack or emails or something else. And that is pretty different from my normal computer use case. So this was just the unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you stick around for the review. I will probably do one here, but it will definitely be written up on mobiletechtalk.co.uk. I have been Dom. You can get me at mobile_Dom on all important social media. Until next time, see ya.